The record high is 90 degrees, which was set in 1911. Yesterday's low temperature was 61. The normal low is 46. The record low is 21 degrees, which was set in 1948. 0.01 inches of precipitation fell yesterday. This is the routine Wednesday morning test of the National Weather Service's NOAA Radio Warning Alarm System. This test is normally conducted during each Wednesday morning between 11 and noon. If there is severe weather in the area or threatening the area, the test is then postponed until Thursday morning or until the next good weather day. There is no severe weather in the area at this time. Repeating, this is the routine Wednesday morning test of the NOAA Radio Warning Alarm System. This concludes the test.
With our interactive timeline that's on our website, easttexasmatters.com. Just be sure to